Okay, I'm going to go through a couple things on the WHM so that you can see how that works. To get the WHM, just go to your website and then type in WHM at the end. Hit enter. I already have your username and password saved in here. So you enter your username and your password for WHM, and I sent that to you. So then you hit login, and that takes you to WHM, which is basically a big control panel for your reseller account. If you type in up here, you type in list, and you'll see list accounts. Click list accounts, and what you'll see is a big list of all the websites that you got, and you can sell all these websites you can sell. So from in here, really it shows you the domain name. It gives you a link to the cPanel for that domain. It also gives you the username for that cPanel, and I believe we set all the passwords on the directories are the same. But I'm going to send you all the username and passwords in an email. But really what I wanted to show you is that the usernames are all here. So I'm not going to give you a list of the usernames. The username for each domain is right next to it. So I'm just going to send you a big list of all the passwords for each site. Some other cool things, you can click on a link and it will take you to that particular site. You can click on the cPanel and it will take you into the control panel for that particular site as well. The only thing is you can't access the database on these files through this interface. You actually have to log into that particular cPanel in order to access that. So for instance, if I wanted to go into this cPanel and get into the database, I would click on the actual website. Get hung up for a minute. I click on the site and then I type in /cPanel, hit enter. I'd copy the username, paste it, and then for instance all the directories or the password is the same. It's sell me 1 2 3 4 5, and then you hit login. Takes you into the cPanel. Only this time you have full access rights. You can get into the database as well. Database is being down here. Really shouldn't have to mess with that too much. The thing that you will need to do is when you list these on Flippa, and you don't need to be into the main cPanel for this, but when you list these on Flippa, let's say you listed this 360 link.info. If you click the cPanel and then go to File Manager, when you list on Flip, it asks you to put a file in your root directory to verify that you own the site. So you go into File Manager, and then the very first area that you get to is actually the root area of the site. So what you would do is you would click Upload and then choose File, which goes to your computer to pick the file. And I'll just show you, like I think I have a Flippa file here. When you list a site on Flippa, it's going to ask you to download a file like this and then upload it onto your site and then verify that it's there. That proves that you own the site. So what you would do is just highlight that, click open. It'll automatically upload it into the root folder. Close out of that. If you refresh, you'll see that that file is now uploaded. So that's right here. So once you get that file up there, you can go ahead and verify your site that it's listed, and you're good to go. If you want to delete the file, then you just go up here and just hit delete. That's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you the passwords for all these accounts. Every single website that you have in here, I'm going to send you the password to it. You have the usernames that are listed here in the WHM. So with those usernames and the passwords, you can get into the cPanel of every single site that you own in order to get it sold. So that's pretty much it, and I will look for an email with those username and passwords.